Thật nào đó phương tôi tỏ, nghĩ nó tỏ, you can have a pool, can you? What am I saying? Okay, is anyone out there envious of the Korean language? Well, because I am. I always wanted to learn how to speak Korean. I actually enrolled in an online class, in an online Korean class with the hope of learning Korean. I don't know if I have attended the class for more than twice. Okay, so it's all good. I still hope to learn Korean or perhaps run into someone who will be willing to teach me Korean. So if you can, please let me know, drop in your comments. I very much want to learn it. I very much would love to learn it. Okay, so having said that, I thought I could tell a story. Story time. Who wants to hear a story? Of course, I know you want to. So I'm just going to tell a short story because it's inspirational and it has morals. So like I always do, I expect you to drop in your comments about what you learned in the story and tell me if you want to hear more, because here is a whole lot more. Trust me when I say a whole lot more, there's a whole lot more where it's coming from. Okay? A whole lot more stories, more of the stories, where it's coming from. So I need to know what you think about the stories. Alright, story. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who was very successful. He owned large acres of land and he cultivated every possible food crop. But he had 3 sons who were very young, energetic, but sadly lazy. So they didn't want to work because they hoped on their father's riches and wealth. And so these 3 sons just didn't want to have anything to do with work. And so one day the man realized that he was dying because he felt sick. He was very sick. And so he realized that he would die. And then he called his 3 sons and told them a secret. He told them that upon his death, that they should each dig up the fields, put whatever seed they would want in it, and then water it, because there was a hidden treasure in the land or lands. So the sons thought of gold. They probably thought the treasure was gold or any other form of precious stones. And so after the man's death, his sons performed his burial rite. And after performing his burial rite, they went on to dig up this hidden treasure. And guess what? They dug and dug and dug and dug. And after digging, they put in seeds and watered it, and with the hope of maybe having the precious stones or whatever treasure show up. So, unfortunately, or rather fortunately for them, at the instant, of course, there was no gold, there was no silver, there was no precious stones. But inasmuch as they were initially angry at their father's seeming prank, very angry at their father's seeming prank, they after some seasons realized that the crops grew and the farm was with plentiful harvest. Okay, there were plentiful crops, and the harvest was bountiful, in fact. And so they learned the importance of hard work and not being lazy. And guess what? From then onwards, they said bye to laziness and they learned to work hard. So I hope that you get a little inspired by the story and learn to work hard not at the farm, of course. I just studies, okay? So having said that, having shared that short but inspirational story with you, let us get on with our 46th question. So our 46th question, why do I keep calling this question? I can seem to, I don't know, stop the habit. It's not a question, it's just pick out the odd one out to pick out the general name or whatever. It's not a question. Why can't I seem to understand that? I don't know. I find it hard to understand that. For whichever ways, we're going to learn all the way. So our 46th question, we have options A, uncle, B, parent, C, aunt, D, relation, and E, cousin. So which is the general name? Of course, we're still on the general name. So which is the general name? Let's see. So all the options are terms used to describe members of one's family. So what is the general name for members of one's family? Be they close members or distant family members, they are all called relatives or relations. Okay, so answer is option D, relation. So your uncle, your nephew, your nieces, your cousins, your aunties, your daddy, your mommy, your siblings are all your relations or relatives. Okay, that is it. 47. 47, we have option A, London, B, Ikeja, C, Accra. Accra? Is it Accra? Is it Accra? I think it's Accra. No, it's Accra. It's Accra. Accra? Okay, Accra. Let's move Accra. D, Cairo, and E, capital. Which is it? So all the options are cities of prime importance in which the government of the nations is located. So the government is located in these cities. Okay, so they are the capital. Just as Ikeja is the capital of Lagos, Abuja is the capital of Nigeria, Cairo is the capital of Egypt, Accra is the capital of Ghana, right? And London is the capital of the UK or Britain, whichever one. So we have our answer as capital. Okay, so that's option E, capital. Our 48th question. Option A, we have Stephen. Option B, we have Rose. Option C, name. D, Tyro. And E, Abubakar. So what is the general name for these? And the general name for these is name because they are given names of people. So B.U. Doris, B.U. Michael, B.U. Jennifer, B.U. Mary Jane, B.U. Donald, B.U. Derek. You are a name. You have a name. So whatever gives you a given is a name. It's a given name. So the general name is name. The general name is name. So that's option C, name. Our 49th question. We have, I just said question again. You know what, guys? Just overlook it, okay? Overlook it. Overlook these grammatical errors of mine. I can't still seem to understand the English language. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm still learning. No one ever really learns the English language entirely. Okay, so our 49th question. Again. Oh my god, I can't seem to stop saying this. But what can I do? Let's just go on with it. So I have options A, stationery, B, paper, C, pencil, D, pen, and E, ink. Which is it? So the options are elements of writing materials, which we use at school. So the general term is stationery. That's what we call these are writing materials. And so that's it. Option A, stationery. Our 50th question. 50th question. Yeah, I said question. Overlook it, please. Pretend you hear it. So we have option A, table, B, cushion, C, furniture, D, cupboard, and E, bed. So the options are all large movable items in the house used for decorations. and they're usually made of wood, so we call them furniture. Okay? Furniture are movable household items which are used for decorations. We use them to decorate the house. We use them to decorate the house. So they're called furniture, and we have it C. Option C, furniture, as our general name. So don't forget to like or comment. Tell me what you think about that story. I don't know if it sounds whack. I'm hoping it didn't sound whack. It was supposed to be an inspirational story. I hope it wasn't whack. So please don't forget to like or comment. Okay? We really depend on your support. So please support the channel by commenting, liking, subscribing, and of course sharing with your friends. Let's all learn together. Okay? So until then, I want you to keep being happy like you always are. I miss you, and I can't wait to see you in the next class. Prepclass loves you. Bye.